Like, look how like it's a close party, and like, oh my God, my earring fall out in the. So like a class party in the photo was very nice. So like you is in fourth by now, and you are grade 1 or grade 2 or grade 3 or grade 4. But grade 4 didn't have only grade 1 have a close protective because I am grade 1 in that was very good. That close protective. Yeah. And I eat all my stuff up. We eating ice cream, we cake, we had McDonald's, and then we eat some chips, some drinks, and oh my God, it was and I'm just gonna show you my shoes, these two pair of shoes. Don't show them. Give that other thing. So like it's like very cute. It's like all two pairs is like Barbies. Like just a little bit of Barbie because she put all two on, and one is the Christmas one and one is for you to die to wear. So I'm gonna show you what is the for Christmas and what is for. So first, das Massy must wear, and it's not be for Christmas. It's not be for Christmas. He must wear. And that pair of shoes is for Christmas, and she only wear look there a lot of the dirt in that shoe. In that shoe. Look there. Mona, so now so I'm gonna show you my money, and I'm just gonna get my other money, my $10. So I said didn't get my $10 in my bag, so I'm just gonna show you my other money from the bank, from our bank, from yesterday. I'm just gonna show you guys just my money. So I got this 100 rand. I don't like it. So Mutiman, this is my 100 rand. And another rand. It's 200 rand. Guys.